Jen, many clients contact us because they experienced some form of solicitation of customers. How does a case like this typically look like?
Sure. Well, if you have a company where they had a salesperson who's left and they may be stealing the customers and bringing them to their new job at the detriment of their former employer. And so we've litigated many cases on behalf of companies who are trying to protect those customer relationships.
Do you have one or two examples in mind where you either served as trial counsel or litigation counsel in a solicitation of customer case?
I do, yes. There was one case in particular where a very high-level salesperson left one company, went to a competitor, and I subpoenaed all of his text messages and saw very clear evidence that it wasn't the customers just went to him because he was such a good salesperson, as he said, but that he had actively reached out to them in breach of his former employment agreement to get those customers to follow him.
Now, in addition to litigating in private practice, you also have a very extensive background as a federal prosecutor with the Justice Department. Can you tell us a little bit of your civil trial experience with the Justice Department and how you apply that for our clients here in solicitation cases?
Sure. Well, I've first chaired multiple trials that were a week or longer in complex civil cases, and it's extremely important, obviously, to have an experienced trial lawyer, not only to develop the strategy, but so your opponent knows you're not afraid to go to trial if it comes to that you will fight all the way through trial for your client.
Say a business owner is interested. Would you offer to the business owner or individuals free and confidential consultations to discuss a little bit their situation and give some initial observations and advice?
Absolutely. I would welcome a call. It would be a free confidential consultation. We could talk through the issues and I could give my best description of a strategy that we could use to protect their interests.